MAP-21 approval signals relief for the construction industry. Growth in construction spending and home sales, positive indicators. The Alabama job market to grow with a new airplane plant. Indiana will pay out millions for a Kentucky highway tunnel. And road bots are headed to Georgia. That and more on Construction News Tracker, brought to you by Caterpillar and produced by 4constructionpros.com. Passage of the new federal transportation bill known as MAP-21 is a big sign of relief for contractors nationwide. The legislation, which ended a string of 9 short extensions, runs through September 2014 and calls for current federal infrastructure spending of $118 billion. Some highlights include increased funding for the TIFIA program, 14 times previous rates, and allows for a larger share of project costs. It also allows for construction of interstate toll lanes, as well as permitting states to lease highways through private partnerships. Consolidates federal highway programs by 2/3, reducing bureaucratic redundancy. Carries significant reforms in environmental review and planning designed to reduce project costs and time. Improves work zone safety barrier installation on high-speed roads. The various associations involved in road construction and infrastructure are reviewing the bill.
Napa is very pleased that Congress has finally enacted a multi-year reauthorization bill. The bill will provide $40 billion a year for the highway program in 2013 and 2014. Well, Napa is a bit disappointed we didn't get higher investment levels for the highway program. It will at least provide funding certainty for contractors and state DOTs through 2014. The bill also establishes for the first time an accelerated pavement deployment program, $12 million a year to help accelerate pavement technologies such as high wrap, high ras, and warm mix asphalt pavement technologies.
The latest analysis of federal data by AGC shows a surprising improvement in construction spending in May was the highest level since December 2009. Particularly encouraging is the amount of spending on all types of private construction, showing growth of 19% over 2011. Coupled with this is a report by the National Association of Home Builders that also marks a recovery, as the number of residential sales in May was the highest since the same month in 2006. Airbus Industries has broken ground on a $600 million airliner assembly plant at Mobile, Alabama, expected to add thousands of new jobs. Just the construction phase alone will create 2,500 jobs, and when the Airbus plant opens in 2017, it's anticipated to employ 400 to 500 and will become a magnet for component industries to move to the region as well. It's hard to explain, however, the bottom line is that Indiana will pay $255 million to build a tunnel beneath a parcel of historic Kentucky land in order to expand I-265 around Louisville. After months of wrangling and agreement on the $2.6 billion road, the rub centers on the Drummond estate in Kentucky. That's included on the National Register of Historic Places. The net result will be a 1,940-foot-long tunnel costing $130,000 a foot, but providing drivers with a much improved corridor. Researchers at Georgia Tech are working out the bugs on a roadbot system soon to be used by that state's DOT. The unique prototype can automatically detect and seal highway pavement cracks. Using a single operator and traveling at 3 miles per hour, the roadbot will be limited to sealing narrow cracks for now, but it fully envisions entire lane sealing capacity when fully developed. Spotlighting the CAT D9 dozer provides contractors a look into the machine's outstanding features. The D9 125 horsepower dozer is set apart from rivals because of its array of blade sizes and undercarriage upgrades for production dozing, with speed and finesse and fine grading and a new Eco Reverse feature that cuts fuel use by up to 5%. Check out the new D9 at your Caterpillar dealer now. We conclude with this. If you really put a small value upon yourself, rest assured that the world will not raise your price. This is Construction News Tracker, brought to you by Caterpillar and produced by 4constructionpros.com. Access us at your pleasure at facebook.com/4constructionpros or at Twitter, where we can be shared with friends, or leave a comment using #ConstructionNews, as the streaming web never ends.